Good morning.
Good morning, Avery.
Merry Christmas.
Come this way.
You want to see what Santa brought for you?
Look. No, don't pay attention to that.
That's all off the couch. What's over here?
Look. Avery.
What's all this?
Look down there. Look, honey.
Here. There's the door on this side.
No, climb through the door, princess.
You gonna get in that way? You're kind of silly. Close the door.
Shut the door, Avery. Honk your horn.
Push. Push it.
Push it.
Push it harder. It's starting it. Well, let's go. It's foot powered.
You got a train too. Sit on that one.
You want to push her?
Huh?
You want to push her? Push her, see that rolls.
Okay.
It works a lot better outside.
Get on this one.
You see the train?
Looks like Thomas.
Yeah, sit on it.
It's for you.
It's for you.
Bye-bye.
Here, Mom, I'll help you. Come here. Oh, you just want to stay in that? Do you want to open your presents inside the car?
And you've got lots of other stuff too.
Okay, let's get out and open our other toys. No? You want me to give you your toys in there? Okay.
Oh, you do want the train, huh? Just gotta do it on your own time. Yep, sit on it.
Sit on it, honey.
Sit down on the seat.
Put your feet right here. Okay.
And then push this button.
I've heard the song in many ways, and taking Johnny Mandel, who somebody that I worked with back in the 50s, one of the first guys working on the songs and Johnny put together an incredible version, one of my favorite songs of the season.
What else did you get, kiddo?
Here, you want to open this? This is from your Grandpa Jay.
It's graceful, Avery. It's about how your mom gets out of the car.
You're welcome. Open it up. Turn Dad, show Daddy so Daddy can see.
You gonna let me watch you open it up?
Oh, I know what that is.
Tear into it.
Rip it up. Spicy almonds.
I don't think you can open them without some help, though.
Santa brought that.
Ooh, what's that one? You gotta tear it up.
Open it up. Rip it up.
Get the paper off of it. You want me to help you? Okay. Oh, that one's taped pretty good, huh?
Whoops, Santa must have forgot how old you were. Mommy can't see.
There you go. Now go back and sit down so Mama can see.
Let's see. Open it up, baby.
You gonna sit in the car and open it?
Bye-bye. What color?
Well, what is it, Avery?
What color?
You want a color?
Yeah.
So it must be crayons. Can you hold them up for Daddy to see? No?
Hold them up so Daddy can see.
Show me what they are.
Show Daddy.
Hold them up so I can see. Hold them up.
Here. That's from Santa. Oh. Okay, here. You gotta open those.
Mama, you?
Mama help you? Here, we'll wait on these. You need to open those so you can see how to use your crayons. Okay. Look, Avery.
I'm getting all the paper out of off of the seat.
You don't want it to look like work.
You know, a lot of these origins of these songs come about from Great Britain. And Probably Like Christmas is a song I love.
It's shut.
It's kind of indigenous to the soul.
Quite.
Many years ago. When you're looking at the song and
Here you go, Avery.
songs, I make this babies and babies about
Open it. It's a present.
songs that can great verses.
It's a present for you from Santa.
You want Mommy to open it?
Yeah. Ooh.
Turn it up.
And it's sort of back to me to it because it has that traveling
You want to open this one?
Yeah.
You're getting pretty good at this. Wow. Well, maybe. It's My Little Pony, a very minty Christmas coloring book.
You want to color in that one?
Mom's gonna help with this one.
Maybe let's open the rest of the gifts
open your
first.
presents and then you can color. Open this. Turn around so Daddy can see.
Avery, let me see when you open it. Let me help you. Here, kiddo. Open it the rest of the way. Pull it. There you go.
What is it?
You want Daddy to help you some more?
Yay! It's an owl.
Mommy's excited about this one. Will you hold it up and show me? Avery,
Show Daddy.
show me what it is. Or not.
Avery.
There you go, Nicholas.
Avery, you want to open this? Okay, come here. Oh, get it started.
It's like I just got in here.
Avery. You want to open it? Open the box. It's a box, Princess. You gotta just lift the top up. Jewelry. Little bracelets and necklaces. Are you excited? Hey, help me get your shirt. You want to wear them? Okay, you got to get out of your car so I can help.
Beautiful.
Avery. You get a ring too, and some bracelets. Come get out and get them.
This is still excellent holiday tradition.
Here's your bracelets, Avery. Here's your ring. Avery, come here. Give me your finger. See this finger. Ooh, fancy. Show Daddy.
Can I see it?
already helped you. Open it up. It's almost all the way open. What is it? It fell out. Go get it. Is that a Cinderella book? Avery, you've got more.
You don't want any more
Here,
presents?
Mommy opened it. They go in the refrigerator.
Ooh, they're magnets so you can play with and spell your name out. And they have to stay on the refrigerator though.
Yep, if you get out and get the rest of the presents.
Let's open the rest of the gifts and then we can play with them. How does that sound?
Your bracelet's over there, baby.
Open it. It's for you though.
Maybe you should put it on the table.